Okay, today we got here 1977 Ford Escort 1.6 GL. You'll see on the side there, the sticker, the sign is still there that it's a GL. Going around the car, okay, we're going to see. Okay, I'm just going to show you around the car first, and I'll show out there's any of the faults that we can pick up. So you can see around the car, the body is still quite straight. Everything is there. Your hubcaps is there. Most of it, all original car has had paint before. You can see that. There is a few rust marks. So what we're going to do, okay, just point out before we start the car, we're going to just point out what we've picked up here. So if you look there, you can see a few rust marks. Can we just go get closer there? We can see the dent on the corner here on that side there. There's a dent on the corner there. A few chip marks on the bonnet here. There's chip marks there. Then if you look further, okay, then we look at the rubbers. The window rubbers definitely got to be replaced. Okay, so the car's going to need a bit of work. Seats, you can see, it's going to need work there. Let's open the door there. Seats again needs work. But even the dashboard still, there's no cracks on the dashboard. Look at the dashboard there. At the back there, that cover's got to be replaced. The dashboard's fine there. Let's look inside there. Can we see the mileage? Can we go on the mileage on the side? Okay, on the mileage it shows there. What is the mileage there?
71315.
Okay, so mileage 71315. Okay, now it could be 171,315. We're not sure. It was a one-owner car. Okay, the existing owner bought it. Okay, there again, rubber's going to be changed from the original owner. We did check it out. We've done a ownership history on the car, so it's basically to second owner now. Okay, so if you look at your boot inside here, everything's there. Original spare wheel. There's your jack at the bottom there. Shame, look at that sticker here, still Ford Naggington. Very good dealership in the days. Let's go this side again. Okay, we look at the interior here. Okay, let's first see. Okay, there's a rust mark at the bottom there. You see the body is rusting at the bottom there. That's all fine there. We look inside here. I can see there's a few marks. Like if you look at this, it's had a bit of work done on it. But the main thing is still everything's still straight. There's still a Ford sticker. Look at that Ford sticker there. Quite nice. Yeah, let's go look there. I'm going to open the bonnet. Then we're going to start it quickly. So open the bonnet first, and then we're going to start it. The bonnet is inside there, if I remember correctly. At the back there somewhere. There we are. Okay, find that. Okay, then we're going to start it. Then we're going to start it. Okay, we look inside the motor here. It looks like it's got a few stamps, as if it was stolen and recovered, but we checked it out yesterday. There's nothing on the system, so I don't know why those. Maybe they did take it and get it back straight away, but it is there. They've got to be made aware of it. You can see that the bonnet's been off already. It's got a few marks here. You can see a bit of cracking here and that. So it basically needs a decent restore spray job. So let's start the car quickly. Car started, running nice. Fan still works inside here. Just if you look inside here, you're gonna do cosmetics. Look at some of the trimmings inside here, that's gone. Look at the trimmings inside here, that's gone. But it's not major. Gearbox feels nice. We actually drove it.
Drive it a little bit.
We drove it. Let's just check for the spares. There's no smoke on it, so that's all fine. Yeah, so okay, that's our car today. 100.